What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another delicious recipe with the Miss Vegan. So today we're going to be doing something fun and festive. And what's important here is that it's easy to make with just a few ingredients. And if you're anything like me, I don't always enjoy baking because there's just a lot involved. But not today. We're going to be using a boxed brownie mix that's accidentally vegan to make these super adorable brownie Santa bites. Let's get started. And there you have it, super easy to make, but super adorable, great for your parties, great for just you. Enough talking, let's try them. Super delicious and easy to make. You've got the sweetness of the brownie and the icing, the freshness of the strawberry, and perfect in one bite when you get all three together. I'm gonna go ahead and post the link for this recipe in the description below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like, go ahead and subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya!